everyone, this is May Mom Meow and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, what I'm going to discuss is how to use MS Excel Nested If. Okay, so last time I used this same table as what you can see here. I have the VLOOKUP with approximate match. So now I'm going to show you how to create the nested if using the same example or table. So here I have I have the score and the grade. So we are going to transmute it. So this is my algorithm, or this is my logic. It's the if less than the score less than. So here it's recommended that you have to list first the logic that you're going to use per condition so that you won't be confused later on once you combine them. So as what you can see here on this table, I have listed it based on the score and the grade. So what I want to compare is the score from the other table to this side of, compare it from the other table and to this table. So this is our reference table. So like this one, if score is less than 65, then we'll have the grade F, and so on. So if the score is more than 96, then we will have a grade of A. Alright, so let's get it on. So we will use if, and then our first condition, score less than 65. The value, if it's true, then that's F. And then the value if it's for this one, without giving any value for false, then once we enter that, it will give us just the word false. But if we are to continue with our if conditions, then if, we'll just proceed adding the next condition, which is the score less than 75, then the value or the grade will be D. And then what if it's false? Then we will proceed to the next condition. If the score is less than 87, then the value or our grade will be C. Then if it's false, then we'll have another condition. If the score is less than 96, then the value is, or the grade is B. Any other value, or if it's false, then we will give a grade of A. So that would mean anything more than 96 will be grade A. Okay. Then of course we will need to close our parentheses. So we have 4 conditions. Then that would mean that we need to close those 4 conditions. And as what you can see, the colors of our parentheses match by pair. So we'll know if we have missing parentheses. And Excel will actually let you know or give you a warning that you are missing something on your formula. And as what you can see, the border of our cells also represents the color of the parentheses. So once we enter, then we have here. So you can see once we once we double click on the top lowermost portion of the cell to copy the formula down, then you can see that the values or the grades are the same. So that's it for how to use MS Excel Nested If. So which one is easier? Is it the VLOOKUP or nested ifs? It's up to you. I prefer VLOOKUP, approximate match. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye.